Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway, and today I'm at 445 Hougang Avenue 8 where I have a lovely corner 4-room flat available for sale at 1,216 square feet. Merely 8 minutes walk from Buangkok Central and MRT, 5 minutes to KPE, and 5 minutes walk to 8 different bus stops. Travelling around Singapore is a breeze. What's more, with Punggol Park just a traffic light away, enjoy the best of nature with your family. Built in 1990, there are approximately 68 years left on this lease. Now this is what we call door-to-door, meaning that just outside your front door, there's only one other neighbour facing yours. Step in and there's a little passageway with a storeroom on the right as well as 2 bedrooms. Now these 2 bedrooms has been combined to recreate a huge master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe. Enclose this wall to recreate the common bedroom and still enjoy a large master bedroom. And in this area, we have a closed layout with distinct separate areas for living and dining. And here's a little bonus. Behind this living area is what used to be the balcony area. With special permission, it has been enclosed and now double up as a helper's room or a second common bedroom. The third common bedroom sits just next to the cozy dining area, another good sized space that can easily fit a queen size or king size bed. Indeed, these older apartments have a really good space in each and every room. This kitchen is a contemporary open concept space. Enclose it easily with glass for all your heavy cooking. This entire house was fully renovated in 2010 and has been lovingly maintained by its current owner. Like to make this your forever home? Call the Property Runway today for an exclusive viewing. See you soon!